class! In this video, I will explain about logic and set. This video aims to fulfill the test of the English for Mathematics course. Before starting the material, let me introduce myself. My name is Siwi Nur Pandega, NPM 001, Mathematics Education Study Program, Class 1, Tidar University. Straight to the material. Logic. Logic is a method and participle that can clearly distinguish between correct reasoning and incorrect reasoning. Statement or proposition is a sentence that has the value of true or false. The truth or false of a sentence is called the truth value. Compound statements are statements that are formed from several single statements which are assembled using logical conjunction. There are 5 compound statements, including the first is conjunction, the second is disjunction, the third is negation, the fourth is implication, and the fifth is be-implication. The first compound statement is conjunction. Are two statements combined with the conjunction and. For the example, statement A, 3 is a prime number. Statement B, 3 is an odd number. So, A conjunction B is 3 are prime and odd number. The second compound statement is disjunction. Are two statements combined with the conjunction or. For the example, statement A, Andi was born in Jakarta. Statement B, Adi was born in the hospital. So, A disjunction B is Adi was born in Jakarta or in a hospital. The third compound statement is negation. Is a statement that is true, then the negation is false, and vice versa. For the example, statement A, 9 is an odd number. So, the negation of A is 9 is not an odd number. The fourth compound statement is implication. Are two statements which contain the form if blah 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 then blah blah blah. For the example, statement P, the water runs out. Statement Q, human will die. So, P implies Q is if the water runs out, then people will die. The fifth compound statement is be-implication. Are two statements which contain the form blah 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 if and only if blah blah blah. For the example, statement A, the heart beats. Statement B, human is alive. So, A P implies B is the heart beats if and only if humans are alive. Then, there are some symbols in logic. 1. For all or for every. 2. There exists or for some. 3. Such that. 4. The negation of A or not A. 5. The conjunction of A and B or A and B. 6. The disjunction of A and B or A or B. 7. If P, then Q or P implies Q, or P is a sufficient condition for Q, or Q is a necessary condition for P. And the last is A if and only if P or A is equivalent to P. The next material is set. Set is collection of objects which have some or equal characteristics. The objects in a set are called element or member of the set. Here is the symbol of the element. T is an element of A, or T is a member of A, or T belongs to A. The opponent is U is not an element of A, U is not a member of A, or U does not belongs to A. The next is special kind of set. The first is empty set. Is a set which has no member. The second is power set of set S. Is collection of a subset of the set S. The next is cardinality of set. The number of distinct objects in a set is called the cardinality of the set. The cardinality of empty set is 0. If a set has finite member, we call it the set finite set. Otherwise, we call it the set infinite set. The next is union and intersection. The union of two sets contain all the elements contained in either set or both sets. The union is notated A union B. The intersection of two sets contains only the elements that are in the both sets. The intersection is notated A intersection B. For the example, from the following sets, set A is equals to 1, 2, 5, 6, and 8. The set B is equals to 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Find A union B and A intersection B. For the answer, A union B is equals to 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We only list 1 and 5 ones. For A intersection B is equals to 1 and 5. There are comparing two sets. The first is A is equals to B. The second is A is subset of B or A is contained in B. The third is A is subset of or equal to B. And the last is A is superset of B or A contains B. The next is set operation. The first is the union of A and B or A cap or join B. The second is the intersection of A and B or A cap or meet B. The third is the difference between A and B or A minus B. And the last is the Cartesian product of A and B or A cross B. Next, I have an exercise that you can do. From the following sets, set A is equal to prime number less than 11. Set B is equals to odd number less than 10. Find A. The negation of the statement 9 is a prime number. B. A union B. C. A intersection B. Have a great time doing it. After you do the exercise, you can match the following answer. From the following sets, set A is equals to prime number less than 11. So it's equals to 1, 2, 3, 5, and 7. Set B is equals to odd number less than 10. So it's equals to 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. For the question A, the negation of the statement 9 is a prime number. So the answer is the negation of the statement 9 is a prime number is 9 is not a prime number. For the question B, A union B, the answer is A union B is equals to 1, 2, 3, 5, 7 union 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is equals to 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So A union B is equals to 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, and 9. For the question C, A intersection B, so the answer is A intersection B is equals to 1, 2, 3, 5, 7 intersection 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is equals to 1, 3, 5, and 7. So A intersection B is equal to 1, 3, 5, and 7. That's all I can say. I hope it can be useful. More and less, I apologize. Thank you for your attention. Keep healthy and see you in the next video.